These mechanical toy videos are blowing up on TikTok right now. This page has gained 268,000 followers, and their videos have hit 19, 31, and 22 million views. And because their videos are over a minute long, they're pulling in thousands of dollars every month from TikTok. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. So to get started, head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs in the left sidebar. Search for Mechanical Toy Generator and choose Mine. Hit Start Chat, then click to start the generator. It's going to give you 10 different scene options to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or just say more if none of them land. I'm going to go with number 6. The GPT will now give you 6 different options. Each one comes with a before image prompt, an after image prompt, and a video prompt for the transformation. So just copy the first image prompt of the one you like and head over to OpenArt. The link's in the description. In OpenArt, go to Image, then Create Image. Click on Model and select Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt in the prompt box, set the output to 9:16 and 2K, choose how many images you want, and hit Generate. Here's how mine came out. They look like a real product sitting in someone's hand. You'd never guess this came out of an AI image generator. So just pick your favorite and click Reference on the right side. Now go back to the GPT and copy the second image prompt. Paste it back into OpenArt. Make sure your settings are the same, drop down to one image, and hit Generate again. And here's my second image. That same little cube has fully unfolded into a mechanical dragon. It looks great. So now let's turn them into a video. Click on Video in the left sidebar. Scroll up, click on Model, and choose Kling 3.0. Add your first image as the start frame and your second image as the end frame. Then go back to the GPT. Copy the video prompt and paste it into OpenArt. Make sure the audio toggle is on. For the output, choose 10 seconds and 1080p. Then hit Generate one last time. And it's that simple. Here are some other videos I made using this method. The full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next niche. See you in the next one.